All right, my boys. So right here, we got my Precision Armament titrex 360 Ti suppressor. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what she's working with. So in the box, you get a braked end cap, 9mm, 36 cal. Then you get your Precision Armament 360 Ti suppressor. Comes with a direct thread 5/8 by 24 mount. Then you also get 2 spanner wrenches. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy and put it on our Springfield Kuna with the FRT and see how she sounds. So shouts out to Precision Armament for sending this out for testing and review. This wouldn't be possible if they didn't bless your boy. We're going to go ahead and take off this 5/8 by 24 direct thread mount so we can put it on our dead air chemo adapter, Springfield Kuna, Precision Armaments 360 Ti 9mm suppressor. Let's go ahead and put them together. It is hub compatible, multi-cal, and it looks amazing. So we're going to run it with that Nexus Firearms FRT lower, the metal slip trip, and their ambidextrous charging handles. Shouts out to them. We got a 20-round mag of some 147 grains. Let's see how this 360 Ti suppressor sounds and performs. We'll do a couple on semi, the rest we'll do on super safe. Semi. That Precision Armament 360 Ti sounds amazing, especially with those subsonics. Do a couple more on semi. Now let's see if we can do some of them on super safe. So that was the last of that magazine. Look at that Precision Armament suppressor smoking, and it sounded amazing. Big shouts to Precision Armament for sending that out. Love it. Might just keep it on the Kuna.